The first way to capture a screenshot is to hit Shift Command 3, which captures your entire screen. The next one is to hit Shift Command 4, which gives you this cursor to be able to select whichever part of your screen you want to capture. The next option is to hit Shift Command 5, which brings you into what I call screen capture mode. The first one here does the same thing Shift Command 3 does. It captures your entire screen. The next one gives you the option to capture any selected window. Let me show you how it works. Here I have Final Cut Pro open with the record voiceover window on top of it, and with the second option we can capture just this record voiceover window. So Shift Command 5, capture selected window. As you can see, we can capture Final Cut Pro without the record voiceover window on top, or we can capture just the record voiceover window. So let me go ahead and capture this window, and as you can see, it captured just the window. Another cool way this option works is when you want to capture your desktop background without the icons. Also, if I want to capture just the icons without the desktop background, it gives you the option to do that as well. Here's just the icons without the desktop background. The next one lets you capture a selected portion similar to Shift Command 4, but more precise. The cool thing about this option is if you want to capture specific aspect ratios, so 16:9 would be 1280 by 720. Next, let's get into the screen recording options. You can see stop screen recording here because I am actually recording my screen. Since I'm recording my screen, I'm not able to show you the options for screen recording, but it's basically recording the entire screen and recording a selected portion of your screen. Now let's get into the options. Here you have save to. You can save it on your desktop or any other option here. With timer, you have the options to select 5 and 10 seconds. In options, we have show floating thumbnail, which is thumbnail that shows up here when you take a screenshot. Next we have remember last selection, and next we have show mouse pointer. So if you select this, the mouse pointer is going to show in the image. Alright, that's it with the basic screenshot and screen recording. Now, if you're still watching, I have a bonus tip for you, which is using QuickTime to record your screen. Hit Command Spacebar and search QuickTime. QuickTime is open. Go to File and come down to New Screen Recording. With screenshots, QuickTime gives you more options when it comes to the format you want to save it as. I have the option to save it in any of these formats. You can also increase the quality or reduce it. Alright guys, if this video is helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And do have a nice day, will you? Ciao.